大家好，我是 Miss Emilie.
Hello, I'm Miss Eileen, and I'm here to introduce the Learning Time Essentials School Kit to you today. The package includes a lot of great materials for kids ages 2 to 3 that's going to match perfectly with our nursery math curriculum. Our number flashcards are going to help your child learn number recognition, sequencing, early counting, and of course, number tracing. The number cards work with the bilingual pen just as the Mandarin and English cards do, so your child can learn how to count in both languages.
在早期的数学当中，形状是一个非常重要的部分。趣味形状配对板可以为孩子的形状认知，还有以后的升学做准备。颜色认知学习组为孩子认知颜色提供了非常好的基础。幼儿选择了红色的蜡笔，那它就需要放在红色的轮廓上，可能要像拉链一样拉上去，也有可能会像系纽扣一样系上去。每一种颜色都有不同的方法放在板子上。
You're also going to get a weekly worksheet that also will have some numeracy skills on it for your child. It will also teach them how to write the numbers properly, which we know is very important.